on? Wait till I get it in there.
Oh, well, it's already recording, so you can edit it.
There you go.
That didn't really eat up too much.
Yeah. See, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten since 8 this morning. It's a long time.
3:30 now?
Yeah. I had woke him up about an hour ago.
Well, at least
Started all this.
Able to space it out a little farther.
Yeah, well, I asked Linda that too. I said as they get older, they're going to grow farther between feedings, right?
It'll focus that close in, but...
I went through them all once with the bottle, and this is topping off the tanks. You almost done? Some of them just like to suck.
Yeah.
chew the nipple a little bit. My goodness.
See, I was kind of letting them more or less lay on the towel.
Yeah,
and then
well,
they would
Linda
dig
was
in and kind of knead as they were.
Linda was feeding them like this, almost letting their back legs rest so they know they're not hanging in space.
Right.
But then she's using her thumb and index finger to hold their head still a little bit. Yeah, you're done. You're just fooling around now.